no-wait weather.
All right, the clouds finally broke, but the temperatures didn't. It stayed pretty chilly throughout the day, and tonight we're cooling fairly rapidly under those clear skies. In fact, right now it is mostly moony, a little sliver in the western sky. Look at your current conditions at Hector. We have a temperature that is on the cool side. We have dipped into those 30s, 38 degrees here in the FM area. That 7-mile-per-hour wind makes it feel like it's in the low 30s out there. So a jacket would come in handy for any late evening activities. Heavy rain making its way through northern portions of Missouri. All this is sliding off to the east, and we have a fairly dry and inactive pattern setting up shop as we head through the overnight hours. But that north flow all day kind of pushing that, well, very chilly air into the valley, and the coldest of it is arriving in north central Minnesota, where temperatures are 30 degrees in Baudette. We have 39 rather in Jamestown, and 43 in Alexandria right now. Grand Forks, you're at 37 degrees. And a closer look showing Hallock at 34, Crookston also at that same reading. Here is a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Quiet conditions all night long, clear skies, and bitter cold temperatures that'll be, well, even briefly in the 20s in northern Minnesota. A frosty start to your day. Many of us at or just below freezing. Down south, staying just above freezing. All right, tomorrow, big difference. Light wind, and as opposed to being straight out of the north, we'll see them shift and become a little bit more easterly as we go through the afternoon hours. That means we can add a few degrees to those temperatures that we saw today. So, well, generally, we'll see a lot of 50s across the region. Now, late in the day, a lot of clouds and some moderate showers making their way along and south of the South Dakota border. As we go into the nighttime hours, we'll see an approaching system from the northwest, another one to the south. We'll be sandwiched on Wednesday, but for almost all of us, Tuesday looks dry, a couple degrees warmer with less gusty winds. So all in all, after a chilly start, we'll see temperatures rising under sunny skies into the 50s, peaking in the upper 50s to right at 60 degrees, wind east at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Your hometown forecast looks like this. The Devil's Lake Basin, mid-50s there, 55 in Jamestown, Grand Forks in the mid-50s as well. A lot of low to mid-50s across portions of western Minnesota with some abundant sunshine in the afternoon. And late day clouds will be building in from the west as our rain for Wednesday makes its way in. A sign of spring shared by Bruce West near Flum. The prairie crocus making its appearance this spring season. Here's a look at your planning forecast. All right, that Wednesday sandwich with rain to the north and south should stay out of Grand Forks and Fargo. Temperatures still near 60 degrees. That little weather system that moves through will cool off much of the region just for a couple of degrees on Thursday. And then Friday looks outstanding. Most of the day high and dry. A late day chance of showers into your Saturday morning. We'll have temperatures near 60 degrees. Sunday and Monday, however,
yes,
that is that's looking more seasonable for this time of the year.
He's in, Andrea and Mike, take note. Got a good
Anybody
forecast.
at home who likes some spring, yes.
Come on, everybody.
Yes.